Hi there, I'm Kathy. This gluten-free, nut-free recipe makes a great layer cake. Let's grease the sides of our pans. I just use what's left on the wrapper from my butter. For the bottom of the pan, we'll trace an outline onto some parchment paper. And then we'll cut out the parchment paper liner for the bottom of each pan. Once you've got a liner placed in each one, we'll set all of this aside, and into a mixing bowl we'll put some white rice flour, some tapioca starch, potato starch, some baking powder, xanthan gum, and some sea salt. Just whisk this all together till it's well blended and set it aside. Now in the bowl of my stand mixer, I've had some butter sitting, so it has come to room temperature, and we want to just beat it till it's creamy. If you don't have a stand mixer, use a hand mixer or even do it by hand. Since I have the stand mixer, it makes the job very easy. When the butter's creamy, we'll slowly pour in some organic raw sugar and let that get well incorporated. When the sugar is blended into the butter, we'll slip in a couple of eggs and some non-dairy milk. Coconut milk keeps your recipe nut-free. If you're not concerned about nuts, almond milk or cashew milk will also work for this recipe. Put in a little avocado oil, as well as some pure vanilla extract. At this point, we'll stop the blending and we'll add the dry flour mixture that we whisked together a minute ago. And mix it all in with the wet ingredients until you have a nice smooth batter. When the batter's smooth, we'll stop the machine, remove the batter, and divide it evenly into our two prepared cake pans. Our oven has been preheating while we've been making our batter. We've got our pans ready to go, so it's just a matter of pouring the batter in and smoothing it out evenly into each one. Now you want to smooth the batter out as evenly as you can, right to the edges. The way that your cake goes into the oven is pretty much the shape it will be when it comes out, except that it will have risen up. But you want it to be smooth and flat and have them as even as possible, especially for a layer cake, so your layers aren't tilted. When you get these all smoothed out, then we'll just pop this into the oven for 25 minutes. Now, when your cake layers come out of the oven, let them sit on cooling racks for 10 minutes before you remove them from the pan. Then after 10 minutes, loosen the edges and then just gently tip it out. The parchment paper liner on the bottom makes this really easy. Remove the parchment paper. Let your layers cool completely then before you frost your layers or do anything else with them. And we'll slip out the second one. Oh, the parchment paper stayed in the pan this time. You can frost these any way you like.